But when I arrived in Montreal in September 1971, it was an amazing, and I dare say unique, Jewish community in the Western world. First of all, Montreal was one of the rare places that had a secular, labor Zionist-oriented day school system from 1926, before any Jewish religious school, before any Talmud Torah became a day school. The Volksschule, and of course the Perlschule in Winnipeg, 1914, day school. Remarkable. I've written a little bit about this. Other people have written about it. There were a number of exceptional Jewish intellectuals, Yiddishist intellectuals. And the Jewish Public Library, which will soon celebrate its centenary, the most beautiful Jewish institution, every week, and we have this wonderful wall, the honor wall, of photographs of all of the Yiddish and Hebrew writers and intellectuals who ever spoke from the platform of the Yiddish Volksbibliothek. Of course, there's the magnificent photograph of Shalom Aleichem himself on the top of Mount Royal sometime in 1915, I don't know, or late 19, or with the executive of the Jewish Public Library when it was young. People of this quality, the whole wall. And you could do something every weekend. You could hear something interesting in Yiddish or in Hebrew, something of great quality. And this did not exist in New York.